Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Rob back with another one, man, and I know it's been a while. But hey, I'm back and I see what kind of videos you guys like. See you like the tech videos. Here we just got a quick look and unboxing at the Logitech G502 Lightspeed. You guys seen a lot of videos on this mouse. No need for me to go into much detail, but I would say it is on sale right now for $89.99. I feel like that's an amazing buy. So if I were you, I would go honestly check that out. It's on sale at Best Buy, Amazon, and even Logitech has it on the website for $89.99. So definitely check that out, and let's just dive in and see what we have. Alright, so as we dive down into the box, as you can see, Logitech's packaging is always on point in my opinion. I love great packaging, but I picked mine up from my local Best Buy, and like I told you guys, they're on sale right now for $89.99. I didn't get mine for that price. I think I might have paid full price, and you guys probably know what full price is. It's like $150. So yeah, I would definitely honestly recommend hopping on the sale if you're interested in this mouse. I know it's been a while. I know it's been multiple reviews on it, but it's just a beauty to this day. Now I do recommend it for more medium to bigger hands. I mean, if you have small hands, it's not, I wouldn't say it'll be like that big, but as you can see my hands around it, I feel like I have a perfect grip. All right, as we get further into the packaging, you get your Logitech advertising, and of course the important documents, of course, and then you get some sticker, well, one sticker, which is pretty common nowadays with a lot of tech brands. All right guys, so just for a few specs, you will get about 48 hours honestly, and that's with default lighting on. Honestly, I can go about 3 or 4 days without charging the mouse. The mouse does feature a hyper fast scroll wheel, and it is POWERPLAY compatible. So if you have a POWERPLAY mat or anything like that, like I said earlier, it does include a 2-year limited hardware warranty, and it does come with adjustable weights, also a charging cable, and also a receiver extension adapter, which if you don't know, is basically if you want to use your mouse from a further distance, just plug that receiver adapter in, you're good to go. Alright, that pretty much sums this video and ends it right there, guys. Like I said, not really much of a review or anything, just a quick look, an unboxing. If you did enjoy the video though, please give it a like, please subscribe to the channel. I will be having some small giveaways upcoming, like some micro SD cards I have. So yeah, definitely make sure you stay subscribed to the channel so you can stay in the loop. I'm definitely going to be making more tech videos for you guys. I've acquired a lot more things, so I can make more videos. So thanks again, guys. I'm Rob, and I'm out.